video. As you can see, today we're doing a mukbang. We have a little bit of everything. So we have these chicken wings that Keith actually fried.
Homemade.
Put a little sauce on it. You know, I had to give him a little bit tips, so we got it right. We have, is it Red Baron pizza? Red Brick? Some type of frozen pizza. We just put in the oven. And then, of course, we had to go to Chick-fil-A to get those good old waffle fries.
2 cookies apiece.
If y'all haven't had these cookies, which I'm sure you had, oh my
Right.
God, it's like heaven in your mouth. And then I got a sweet tea.
I got a couple. So, of course, we know y'all seen our Dominican trip. I want some feedback how you guys enjoyed that video. Honestly, I know we didn't get to talk a lot about what we view as far as like the culture and everything, but it's different. I tell you that much.
A lot different.
These sodas doesn't have that like that acidic taste.
It's not as strong.
So I'm not like watered down a little bit.
Like, it's kind of flat. But the crazy thing, once we got back home and drank soda again,
Couldn't do it.
it was too strong.
Way sticky. Way too strong.
So maybe that's what we needed.
But the people over there, super nice.
Super friendly. Keep those.
Super friendly. Had an incident on the beach where, you know, you got people who walk around and they sell things outside of the resort. Well, this particular incident, my guy was trying to talk it up. And he was saying like, oh, my God, your lady's beautiful. You guys could be cousins. We were like, cousins? He was like, yeah, we could be family, you don't even know it. So, Boogie was looking at him like, huh? You know, kind of weird.
He was acting weird.
Yeah, so you know, the way I was sitting, I kind of had my legs open. And of course, we was on the beach having a good time. He sat Indian style in between my legs,
Chilling.
tried to shove me in his package. And I was so upset. You know, I had to see the look on my face. It was priceless. Like, they were just over friendly over there.
God must have known this man didn't have too much longer. Because immediately afterwards, it started raining on the beach.
Yeah.
So we just took a run for it.
The crazy part is every day we on the beach it rained. It was
Except last time we went.
Except last time, yeah. It was beautiful for like an hour or two, and then it started raining. Wow. Other than that, it was perfect. The restaurant, the hotel itself, maybe like 5 or 6 restaurants now. And before
Well, it's nice.
they are running. Good. Before we left, I told Buddy that she was wrong. 89% of the time right, 11% well. When we went on a trip, I was right. What, about 11%?
5%.
About 5%. If that. Like, we made dinner reservation, rebooked it. I thought the time was at 7:45. We starved ourselves from about 12 to 7:45, thinking that's what time our dinner was. When in actuality,
My cuts were.
our reservation was at 6:30. Oh, she cut herself, y'all.
With scissors.
Okay.
But go ahead.
So, I was wrong in that instance.
There's something else she was wrong about.
Oh, the beach. Remember when I said it was about to rain? It did rain.
So
I mean, it did rain.
it was raining on the beach. We left. We was walking back to the room. Halfway there, it was like, oh well, it started raining. We should walk back to the beach. I'm like, well, what happens when we get to the beach when it starts raining harder? He's like, nah, I don't think so. Needless to say, I went with my instinct. started pouring down raining. When I tell you I would have been so upset, because at that point I was trying not to get my hair wet, which didn't last long, but it was pouring down raining. But he was so confident that he was right, and I think that's when he made that comment right before then about me being right 11% of the time.
It was embarrassing, but nonetheless, we had a good time. The view was perfect, but I will say the trip shouldn't have been 5 days.
5 days was too long. I was ready to come back.
That trip we do maybe like 4 days.
You know what's crazy? Leading up to the trip, all we kept doing was saying how we want to go on vacation, we're so ready to leave, we want to get out of here. When I tell you there is no place like home, no matter how much I say, oh, you hate where you're from, or you're tired of this place, be gone long enough, you're going to miss being home.
You gonna make you feel.
Like that.
I mean, depending on where you go. Depending on where you go. You may miss it.
We sure did.
We did. Took it for granted. The whole trip, all I wanted was a double burger with bacon.
That's all he kept talking about for whatever reason. And he still didn't get it yet.
We get it sometimes. So now that I'm home, it's like, I got so many other options. I really don't need it. But overall, it was a fun trip, fun birthday trip.
It was really fun.
Your excursion was probably back.
Oh my god, the excursion was so fun. ATV ride.
As you guys seen in the other video.
Because I wasn't expecting to drive, so. And I'm trying to speak up, I'm still sick, but I wasn't expecting to drive. Then we got like halfway through, and the guy was like, alright, switch. I'm like, switch? Wait a minute, you want me to drive?
Yo, I was so scared, oh my god.
He shouldn't have been. I'm a good driver.
Not even regular problem. What's crazy is we have 2 vehicles, right? I don't think she can name the last time she drove with me in the car.
Even when we're driving my car, he won't let me drive.
I like to be safe.
I haven't killed anybody.
That we know of.
Haven't killed anybody.
I like to be safe, guys. You know. I've been having a little bit of road rage.
A lot.
So, and I like to speed. Somebody blow past and I feel like I'm in a race now. But needless to say, we went to a cenote, a man-made. The water was clear, you can see right through the bottom of it.
Hey, this is off subject, but the cenote, wasn't that technically fresh water? So have you heard about the flesh-eating virus that's in fresh water? And then there's a flesh-eating one and a brain-eating one. So the brain-eating virus is found in fresh water. But I think I read that it's warm fresh water, and cenote is freezing, so yeah. It gets in through like your nose, I believe. Does it get in through your mouth? I don't know, y'all need to look it up because I'm probably giving wrong information. The other one, which is the flesh-eating virus, is found in salt water, and that gets in through like cuts in your nose. So if you guys are in the ocean, whatever, be careful. I think they said there's only been like 100 cases in like the past since like 1960 something. So it's not a lot, but it's pretty scary.
Luckily, I didn't run into that. But somebody was scared.
Wait a minute, you have up to 9 days to find out if you're affected or not. So that we know we haven't run into it yet.
I hope not.
Nah, we good.
Somebody got to Google that for her.
Nothing ain't getting my nose. I'm good.
She didn't go in the water either, y'all.
I did go into the water.
Oh, yeah, you did.
That's why my hair came back smelling crazy.
Oh, man, awful.
It was awful. As soon as I got home, the first thing I did was jump in the shower and wash my hair.
The shower was over there. They were nice. But the hot water didn't last long.
At all.
Maybe about 5-10 minutes.
And then the toilets were square.
The toilets were square. There wasn't a lot of leg room. Our toilet actually broke.
Yeah.
It says up failure.
Oh, and the bus is extremely small.
I'm a big dude, man. I'm 6'2", probably 290. I had no leg room.
None.
None whatsoever. I was horrible. But I struggled with nice.
Everybody was nice.
Down to one service.
And then we met the cutest couple over there.
Yeah.
They were so friendly.
Oh, super nice. They celebrating 1 year anniversary of marriage.
And their anniversary is on my birthday.
Which was cool. But from Baltimore?
I think so.
Yeah. Somewhere around.
Yeah.
They were nice. As a family that was there, man, they was funny.
Super
They
friendly.
were cool too. They were cool. They I mean, you meet a different side of people when you're on vacation. That vacation was wonderful. To say the least. We're gonna try planning another one soon. I'm thinking Aruba. If anybody been to Aruba, please let me know. Or Barbados. I'm looking for Rihanna. Not for me though. No.
You can find me Beyonce, you can have Rihanna. That's an even switch.
I don't think so. Well, at least it'll be out on the trip, thank God.
Unfortunately.
When we got back home, that Beyonce was cranked up. Crazy thing we get back home, y'all. Driving. Boo said she hungry. Looking for a Wendy's. Didn't get to a Wendy's, so went to a Chick-fil-A. Oh no, a Sonic. She is number one with no hair.
They don't know what number one is.
I'm sorry. What was it? Double cheeseburger?
It was a cheeseburger with no onions, fries, and sweet tea.
It was whole time, oh my God, I'm hungry. Oh my God, I'm hungry.
I was starving. Like, I had the most intense hunger pain. Okay.
Get the food. I ate the fries. She probably ate 2/3 of the burger.
But listen, we ate breakfast in the morning. What time we ate breakfast? Around 7?
Yeah.
About 7 a.m. We got to the airport, got through everything. We had to wait for about 2 hours. So that's 9 o'clock.
Oh, that was on the wrong flight, y'all. The wrong
Oh,
flight.
yeah. No, I'm sorry. We got there around like 9 o'clock. Got through everything. Around 11 o'clock we boarded. So about an hour into the flight, after they had served the cookies, the drinks and everything, I started getting hungry. I'm like, alright, no big deal. But you know how when you're around food, you don't care about eating? Since I'm in the air and I can't get anything, I didn't bring any snacks. I was starving while Keith is over here, knocked out.
Alright.
And it's like the closer we got, the hungrier I got. And we still had to go back through customs and everything. We had to find the right shuttle to get on to get back to our car. So I'm insanely hungry by this time, got a headache and everything.
Got on the wrong shuttle.
Got on the wrong shuttle. Couldn't think straight. So by the time we got to Sonic, I was so hungry until I lost my appetite. Like my stomach started turning. I couldn't eat the food. I was pretty mad because I wanted to enjoy that burger.
But I didn't even eat one first at home. Crazy thing about when first at home, y'all. Somebody said about that.
I was dying.
But I
stomach hurting, I had chills, my throat was sore. I was calling my mother because I just needed her to know that if anything happened to me, these were my symptoms.
Lisa says you feel 100%.
Not 100%. I'm at about 70. My throat still hurts. But like, I don't have a headache or anything. And I kept asking Keith, like, are you good? Do you feel bad? Of course, he's like, nah, I'm straight. I'm good.
I'm good to go.
I was fine. But I feel like it was climate change. Don't believe the hype. I don't believe it had anything to do with us being in the DR or anything.
Nothing about New York. Only thing about New York, what I say you guys watch out is the Majestic Elegance drink. Look at that.
When I tell you that drink's so good, that's all we was drinking.
The drink is great, but it has coconut milk. For you guys that don't know what happens when you have coconut milk,
It's like a laxative.
basically. And they have you up 4 o'clock in the morning.
But it was painful. Was it painful for you? And my stomach was in knots. And I thought I had drank like too many drinks. But the next day, the lady, what's she called? The tourist lady or whatever.
Concierge.
Yeah, concierge. She let us know, like, don't drink too many pina coladas. And Majestic drink is a form of pina colada. She was like, because it will hurt your tummy. And I'm looking like, oh, trust me, we know. Of course, Keith over here didn't listen because he feels like
Invincible.
he feels like he is. So he was drinking it, had the same experience. The crazy thing is, after that night when he was up at 4 in the morning, we still drank some things there.
For real.
And then got baby making drink. We had like 2 shot stoves. It tastes good though. Like all their drinks are good except for they had like a coconut drink, which looks really cool. Yeah, it was disgusting. It was just coconut milk. The best way I can explain it, you ever took water and like swished it around in your mouth and then swallowed it? That's how it tastes.
Crazy about she put a lot of rum in that drink. You couldn't taste it.
In the Bahama Mama?
That Bahama. That Bahama Mama nigga.
I told you, majority of their drinks. Well, I'm saying majority. The only drink I didn't like was the coconut. But everything else, oh my god.
You couldn't taste the alcohol.
And funny thing is, my cousin told me about this Majestic drink. How did she know about it? I don't know. But yeah, she's right. Maybe I should put that in YouTube.
Probably not. But the drink world better.
I still want to eat my cookie though.
Yeah, we're gonna eat these cookies. We just want to give you guys our experience and what we did while we was over there. Next video more than likely will be a
Excuse me, guys. He keeps it really cold in here.
yeah, I'm
In
sorry.
case you guys are wondering why it's August and I have on this jacket.
The next video more than likely will be a advice video, just relationship advice. We'll have another couple on there as well. So we'll definitely get 2 sides of the couple we have that's been together. 4 sides. So I mean like couple.
Oh, okay.
So we're a newer couple. They've been together going on 5 years, so the stuff we probably haven't experienced yet, they experienced. So we'll definitely give like do's and don'ts and just relationship advice overall to new couples and couples that have been down that road and just want to keep things fresh. So we'll definitely have that for y'all on our next video. But until then, SK all the way. We out.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate.